So hello guys, welcome to Get to Know YouTube channel. My name is Shubhan Ghosh and we are gonna talking about how you easily do pivot table in Google spreadsheet. So if you're gonna new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and please click the notification bell. So let's get started. Now I have some data here, some random data I have made. Seller names, 2 sellers who sells vegetable per day. So there are vegetables name and sales per day. So first of all, in the pivot table we are gonna take out vegetables average sales per day, sellers total sales per day, and then we separate the all vegetables, each vegetables per day sales. Okay, so let's get started. Now select those tables and go to insert, then see it, the called pivot table, click it, and it's gonna ask you if you get it on new sheet or existing sheet. We are gonna take it to new sheet, so create. Now it would be suggested by Google spreadsheet average sales. Just click it. You saw this cabbage, onion, potato, herbs, tomato, all's average sales per day. So let's remove it and now concentrate on these 4 columns, rows, columns, values, filters. This 4 options, sorry. Now click it on the row, add seller name. So you got the seller name. Now ignore the columns for now and click values and select the sales per day. So it's grand total, the all seller sales. So now click on the column and click on vegetable. So you're gonna see that each vegetables has been separated and their totals are always separated. You have the grand total and you have the all sellers sales, each vegetable sales. So if you're gonna like this video, please hit the like button. If you new this channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell.